I was like being on Bali and drinking fresh coconut. Wow. I cannot stop touching my hair. It feels so good. Good morning! Someone's super excited. It's hair wash day, at least for me. I am washing my hair every third or fourth day. You know what they say, you should not wash it every other day because the more you wash it, the faster they get greasy, and that's a huge problem for me. So this is why today is finally the day where I'm gonna test the hair mask everyone knows about, I think, because this brand is all over the place. So I was curious about that brand, and especially about that one hair mask. We are talking about this little baby, Cocoandeve Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, like a virgin. Wanted to know, how does this mask work and why is everyone so obsessed with this? And I'm just gonna read out what they say about this mask.
It's infused with coconut, fig, shea butter, linseed, and argan oil to help strengthen and get hair back its pure virgin state.
Wow, that's actually a huge promise, because I will show you I will show you in a second how my hair looks right now, because I didn't see a hairdresser in 15 months, like pre-lockdown, pre-COVID last year. I know I could go to the hairdresser, but I kind of got lazy. Let's see what this mask can do to my hair.
So it's like a virgin again. Our supercharged formula delivers hydration from roots to tips, nourishing hair damaged by heat, styling dyes, and the environment helps improve hair texture by targeting frizz, covering split ends, and adding gloss.
Wow. Seems like a lot that this mask can do to your hair. How to use it: shampoo as normal, then evenly put it into your hair. Towel dried hair and leave it 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water and use 1 to 2 times per week. The combination of those two colors for me, very pretty. So let's open this little baby. I don't know if you can see it, but look what it said. We're coconuts about hair. Cute. And it's cruelty free, vegan. Have a very cute logo here. They really know how to do packaging and marketing, obviously. Everything looks so pretty. Look. And then it comes with this little paper. It's an instruction for use in every single language possibly. And this is the mask. I'm just gonna open it. I am so excited because I really want to know how it smells. That's super important to me. Before I even, wow, I didn't even, wow. I didn't even open it properly and it smells like. I'm gonna close this baby and show you what else we got. We have a brush, a cute little rosé with green Cocoandeve brush. Then we have that towel I've seen everywhere on Instagram. It's again with this cute print. It has a button here. So I guess, yeah, it has a leash at the other end. They also say, for an intense boost of hydration, apply Cocoandeve Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask to hair and cover with this towel and wrap it for several hours or even overnight before rinsing it. Well, I'm not going to do that now because it's morning and I need to go to work, so we're going to use it for 10 or 15 minutes and that's it. Then I have a Cocoandeve Like a Virgin Miracle Hair Elixir. What does it say?
Multi-purpose hair oil. This all-in-one style serum, curing, hydrator, and heat protector. And it adds instant shine, silkiness, and frizz control. Uses a curing hair hydrator or to protect from heat up to 220 degrees Celsius. Wow. Infused with a tropical blend of coconut oil, papaya, prickly pear plus hyaluronic acid for soft and shiny hair.
Let's open. I love the packaging. I'm just gonna stay here and keep on smelling it. Good. So before we try, I am going to take another sip of my coffee because I just woke up and I'm super tired. Stop talking and just go ahead and do it. But before that, two things. First, please make sure to hit the subscribe button directly underneath this video. Know that it's somewhere here and you can see it. So please go ahead and just press it. It means a lot to me. Second, I'm gonna show you the mess I'm having here after like 4 days, and also the last night I spent with a very high bun. My hair, you don't want to see it, and actually I'm a bit embarrassed, but hey, that's my hair after 4 days not washing it. And I have natural curls actually. You see it's like super frizzy. I cannot even open it properly. There you go. A mess. Super dry, super, I don't know, frizzy and not so hydrated. So this is why this mask would actually be perfect for me if it really works. I will stop talking, finish my coffee, and then go ahead and try the mask. Good, your girl is back. I just washed my hair. I did not put any conditioner, nothing into my hair, so this is why it looks like that. Very, very, very frizzy. I'm just gonna apply the mask and then keep the mask in my hair and then hope that I will be able to brush my hair afterwards. Wow! Oh, it already feels like so soft. And now we're gonna use this towel. So they say, sorry, goodbye. And then we place the towel on our head. And then try to fix it with the button. So I'm gonna leave this on my head now for 10 or 15, rather 15 minutes, because you saw my hair before. Hello, I am back. So what I did is I rinsed my hair with warm water. I'm gonna open this now, and we will try to brush my hair with this brush, Tangle Teezer brush, not Tangle Teezer, however. In case you're wondering, it always takes so long for me to brush my hair. So what are we gonna do now? As they say that the oil is a heat protector as well, we will apply the oil into my wet hair. Then I need to use the blow dryer. It smells so good. And that's basically it. I am now going to put the towel back on my head and let it dry a bit like that and do my makeup. And I will see you for the final results. Hello, your girl is back.
Oh, I just forgot one thing. Hello, your girl is back.
You're gonna be like, what the hell happened to that girl? Coco and Eve for my hair and makeup for my face. Here we are. This is the final result of my hair. And I gotta say, the first thing, it's insane. I don't know how this is even possible, but as I was confused while I was drying my hair, that my hair looks super bright now. The colors are much, much brighter than usually. So I looked it up and I wanted to know if this is only me. But I read and I saw on YouTube another video where a girl said that her hair kind of got brighter, which is amazing. I like it. I even thought about dyeing my hair, and I could not wait for summer that my hair is gonna be brighter. Or it could be that it looks brighter because it's more shiny. I don't know. I just like it. Apart from that, they're super soft. I mean, no way this would ever happen to my hair. My hair usually is not the softest, and it's also not the shiniest, but now in the sun I checked it, it's super shiny. I don't know if you can see that. I need to get used to it because I usually have like a lot of structure. It's new to me and I kind of like it. It seems that they're healthy and hydrated. Obviously, I think that's the reason, because they have enough food now. I am happy with the results. Now I'm going to tell you a few things about this hair elixir. You know that I used it for drying my hair. By the way, I just let my hair I just let my hair dry in that towel, and then I took it off and I did blow dry like a bit. Then I have some spots on the top of my head where I need to use a hair straightener, and that was it. I used this product already for the wet hair as a heat protection, and now we will use it as a finish because that's what I usually do. I take a tiny bit, I smell it, it's so good. And then I put it into my hair as a finish, only into the end so they look shiny. But actually I would not need it now because they already are shiny. I'm just curious how it's going to be in future if I continue using the mask, if my hair is going to get brighter and brighter, or if it changes again back to the normal color within the next few days. Let's see, I will keep you posted. By the way, I will link all the products down in the description box, and I'm gonna put you my discount code because I got one for you guys. I'm gonna put it down in the box and link the product so you can easily go over there and just select it, then use my discount code and save money. Back to business. Why would you use a oil? First of all, it hydrates the thirsty strands in your ends. Then it supercharges shine. It's the ultimate heat protector, what we already said. It banishes frizz and styles hair too. It does definitely banish frizz. You have seen, I'm gonna put it again here, my hair before. You can use it wet or dry. That's really a plus because some oils you can only use in dry hair and the others in wet hair. For me, 2-in-1, and then use this one because also for traveling, this is perfect. It's 100 milliliters. Just need this one and nothing more. It won't make your hair greasy. Another important thing for me because, as I said, usually it would make your hair a bit oily if you put it into your hair. I mean, obviously you're not going to put it on the roots, only for the ends or mid-ends. Yeah. Oh, I cannot stop touching my hair, it feels so good. As I said, perfect handbag size. It's 100% vegan and it's perfect for colored or bleached hair, as well as safe to use during pregnancy. That's important as it seems. I did not know that. That's actually all about the information I wanted to share. It does help with hydration, with shininess, with softness. I will let you know, as I said, in the long term how it works for me. And if you have been thinking about trying these products but never did, now is the perfect time because I have a discount code for you, which I'm gonna link in the description box as well. I'm definitely convinced that these products work very well, at least for my hair, because as you know, my hair is usually super frizzy and curly, and this is a huge difference. And that's it. I'm now gonna go show off with my pretty, shiny, healthy, hydrated, soft, silky, nourished hair. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are not a subscriber yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.